friends, Running Kimono. So we have a free basket here over at Walgreens. All this goodness. And then I did go to Walmart and I did a quick little IBOTTA deal. I had some freebies with that Super Bowl, like, you know, 5 free items. Unfortunately, my store, 2 of the items I could not track down, but everything else was really fantastic. So I'm gonna jog you through some of these deals. And then Bath & Body Works still had a table with 75% off merchandise. So I got 12 hand soaps and I used an IBOTTA gift card and I just paid down the tax. So if you are a Bath & Body Works addict, I will show you how I did that because it was a really awesome deal. Okay, so the first store that we're gonna talk about today is Walgreens, and I can't do a weather report, guys. It's so blindingly bright out there. It's gonna mess up the camera if I do a weather report, so hi to my mom if she's watching, and sorry there's no weather report today. It's just when the sun hits the snow in a certain way, it's just blinding to look at. Okay, so we are at Walgreens, and I just kind of did a deal similar to what I did on Sunday, but I just changed it around a bit. So with the number 7, a lot of us scored really well on Sunday and Monday. And then, or like Tuesday morning or something like that, they pulled the plug on everything, and all the items for number 7 skincare is now the same price as in store, so it is no longer a great deal. And for those of you that scored, how fun was that? But a lot of you, I know it was super frustrating, so I do apologize, but it's just sometimes the breaks. So on this one store card, guys, I had a digital booster, which was to spend 25, get back. And then I also had a paper booster when I kept going back to the store to pick up my number 7. Out of the Catalina machine printed a spend 20, get back 6. So spend 25, get back 6, spend 20, get back 6. So I had to spend a total of $25 to get back $12, and then plus all these items are giving back little register rewards or Walgreens cash. It just was a really good deal for me. So these 2 bar soaps are 2 for $13. We have a 2 off of 2 digital, plus a $4 register reward should print for you. Unfortunately, it didn't print, but the manager credited me the $4. It's been happening on Sunday and then today, so I don't know what's wrong with that. Maybe if you got the body wash, it would be a different story, but for me, that's what happened. The Colgate are $2.99 a piece, so for 2 of them, that's $5.98. We have a 3 off of 2 digital. Buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. That did print for me. And then the Dove shampoo, buy 2 of them for $8. We have a 3 off of 2 digital, and then $2 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of them. So for this entire basket of stuff, it was $26.98. I had my digital booster loaded. I presented the paper one for the cashier, and all my digital coupons, which was $8, came off. $18.98, I used my debit card, and then I got back $14 of Walgreens cash. 6 for the paper booster, 6 for the digital booster, and then 2 for the Dove. And then $4 of Walgreens cash for these 2 because the register reward didn't print. I got that after the transaction. And then I got one $3 register reward for the Colgate. So if you subtract from what I paid to what I got back, it's free plus a $2.02 money maker. So that's kind of fantastic in my little book. Okay, so now we're headed to Walmart. I did a couple of those Super Bowl rebates. Basically, if you get somebody to use your sign-up code, you're going to be awarded 5 freebies. If not, everybody's given the Red Baron pizza for free. So we're just going to go through these freebies right off the bat. Now, I thought I took a photo in the store, but guys, I'm sorry, I spaced on that. The cookie dough was $2.50. IBOTTA's giving back $2.69, so it made it a very small money maker. It was like free and 19 cents, and I have a family member I will be gifting this cookie dough to. I already threw it in the freezer. The item is this bubbly, and I found this where they have I found it on an end cap actually. So Mr. Bubbly was $3.38. IBOTTA gave me back $3.89, so it made it free plus a 51-cent money maker. Baron pizza was $3.98. IBOTTA's giving back $4.49, so it made it free plus a 51-cent money maker. These freebies will be around right up to the Super Bowl, so I still have another week, so I can still track down the Lighthouse salad dressing and the Mission chips. The next little deal that I had to do right away are on these fun size Snickers. So they're 98 cents each. So for 5 of them, it's $4.90. IBOTTA has $1 back for each, so it made them free. And there was a little timestamp on that, like do this deal quickly. So I would do this deal ASAP. The Head and Shoulders, I use this conditioner once in a while because it's really good if you use dry shampoo and stuff to strip your hair. They're on clearance for $4.04 each, so for 2 of them, that was $8.08. Checkout 51 is giving back $1.50 back for each, and IBOTTA is giving back the same rebate back of $1.50 each. So I got $6 back from the 2 different rebate apps, so it made it like $2.08 for the 2. $2.04 for this. I'll pay that all day, every day, because it's a really high quality conditioner. Okay, the Flintstone vitamins are $6.88. IBOTTA is giving back $2. Coupons.com is giving back $3. And Shopkick is giving back 340 points, which is basically $1.36. So that's $6.36 back for this bottle of vitamins. So it makes it 52 cents after everything is said and done. I think that's a pretty good deal. The last little items is these U by Kotex. So I picked up 2 of them. They were $2.97 a pop, so that is $5.94. I had a 4 off of 2 coupon. These are the 40 count as well. So I paid $1.94, and then I got back $1 back each from IBOTTA, so it made it completely free. And Fetch Rewards has a progressive promotion on this of spend 30, get back, I think it's like $5, and I am very close to getting that with this purchase, so one more purchase and I will receive it. Going through the math, guys, this basket was $36.17. I had 1 chintzy coupon for the Kotex, so the new total is $32.17. We're missing a cookie right here. IBOTTA gave me back $23.07. Checkout 51 gave me back $3 for the Head and Shoulders, these ones. Coupons.com gave me back $3 for the Flintstones, and Shopkick's giving me back $1.36 also for this purchase. So after everything is said and done, it's like I paid $1.74 for all this stuff, including the cookies that I will be gifting to a family member, which isn't too bad. And before people come for me saying, this isn't keto, blah, 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 very accurate. My husband sometimes likes a little pick-me-up in the middle of the afternoon, and then on the weekends he'll eat a pizza. So he's not 100% keto. I'm the crazy one in the family, so I do buy this stuff once in a while. Okay, I did break the bank a little bit while I was at Walmart, but these Enlightened Cheesecakes that have been at Kroger and larger like grocery stores, which we do not have here in rural Michigan, it finally landed at Walmart. Yes, you're getting 2 cakes for $5, so they're $2.50 each, but there's no sugar added, and it's the Enlightened brand, so you know it's going to be great. So if you're on the keto diet, look for this in the frozen cheesecake aisle. I'm not trying to tempt you, but if you wanted a little extra something, this might be the thing for you. And yes, I did get 1 chocolate and 1 of the strawberries. I had to try it. So I'll let you guys know maybe on my Instagram how it turns out, but I'm really excited for this. So a couple days ago, I was at Bath & Body Works, and there were still tables for the semi-annual sale, and I'm like, what the heck is going on? Because that sale should have ended on Sunday the 16th, and the tables are still there with up to 75% off. And one of the managers pulled me aside and said that they still had so much merchandise, and before they were going to put it away, it was decided that they would try one last week to try and sell some more stuff. So that was really fantastic. I picked up 12 of these hand soaps. I think they were like $2 each. I had a 20% off coupon. So 12 subtracting the 20% off coupon, they were like $1.50 after everything was said and done. Some of them were $2, some of them were like $1.87. So after that coupon, guys, it was like $18 and some change, and I used a $20 gift card from IBOTTA to Bath and Body Works. So I just paid the tax, which was really fantastic. So I really loved this deal, and I had a little free item. So I got the hyaluronic acid hand cream. It's really fantastic, especially this time of the year. Look how much hand sanitizing these hands are doing. This sale apparently is going to continue, I think, Thursday or Friday. So I might go back. They have a lot of products that are like $15, so they're down to like $3 and some change. So I might get a couple of those and maybe some more hand soap as well, because I'm a sucker for Bath and Body Works hand soaps. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.